Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I would like us to make this corner to corner square. It's made up of 16 cells and each cell is made up of 3 double crochet. It's so easy, it's simple. You can do it. If I can do it, you can. Now let's begin. I used a 5mm crochet hook and some chunky yarn. First, I made the loop or the magic loop, whatever you want to call it. Put your hook in, pull it up, and now from here I chained 5, that being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to make a double crochet on the 3rd chain. Make sure you grab both loops to make it nice and tight. So that is the first double crochet, the little loop at the end. Can be a little tight sometimes. Second double crochet. And now we get to the corner of the last double crochet. As I said, it can be a little bit tight, but insist to get the 2 loops to make sure that you have it all nice and tight. We got it, and that is the 3rd double crochet, and that is 1 cell done. So next we're going to make another cell. We're going to chain up 5, that being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As we did the area, do a double crochet on the 3rd chain, that being 1 double crochet, 2nd double crochet. Yeah, grab both loops to be on the safe side. Now last double crochet, the one at the corner, and now we got 3 double crochet. Don't worry if that happens, just do it slowly, you get there. So we got 2 cells, sorry, looking at each other like that. Now look closely, this is where the magic happens. So you got the cells like that. Now grab the cell on the left, lift it up like that, and bring the other one close to join them together. Let me do it again. Take the cell on the left, lift it up, and bring them together like that. Now put your hook in the loop there and join the 2 cells together. Now from there, chain 2 up, and now in that gap we need 3 double crochet, that being 1, 2, and 3. So you got 3 cells at the moment. Looks like an L. That is what we have so far. Proceeding very well. Now to get the next cell, you're going to chain up 5 as you did the first time round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you did a double crochet, 5, confirm. Now a double crochet on the 3rd chain, that is first double crochet, a 2nd double crochet there, and another one at the very corner, like so. So we got another cell there. So that is what we got so far. That is the shape we have. 3 double crochet, 3 cells looking down. Now we are going to turn the 3 chains, the 3 cells up like that, and we're going to join those 2 cells like so. We join them like that, and chain 2 up. 1 and 2, and in the gap make 3 double crochet. So you can see how we are joining the cells. That is 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and a third. So we got 2 adjacent cells that need to come together. So hook in the loop. Sorry, happens like that. If it happens, don't worry, just take your time and just put your hook into that little that gap there. Join them together like that. Now chain 2 up as you do, and 3 double crochet on into that gap, that hole. 1, 2, and 3. So that is what we have so far. So far so good. That is what we have. So 3 on that side, 3 on that side, and 3 there. We need 4. So chain up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is how we are increasing the cells. Now a double crochet on the 3rd chain as you did. 1 double crochet, another one. Hope you're finding it easy. And the 3rd one at the very corner, make sure you grab both loops to get it nice and tight. So you got 3 double crochet. Now that is what we have at the minute. Now we are going to turn that so that we can join the cells. Now into the loop there, join the cells. Every time you join the cell, you chain up 2. Now into that gap, make 3 double crochet, that being 1, 2, and get some more yarn, and 3. Now you got, that is what we have. We are going to join the cells into that gap. Join the 2 cells as you do. So after that, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the gap as we did the first time round. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to join the cells together as we did the last time. Look for the loop there, get your hook in, join the cells. Now you're going to chain 2 as we did, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet into that space. That's second, and that is third. 3 double crochet. And because we do not want any more, as you can see, we have four cells on either side. 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 1 2 3 4. Now we are going to 4 on every side. We go 4 on every side, and now we are going to decrease because we do not want any more cells. So chain 2, turn your work now into the gap like you're joining a cell, like that. Now chain 2 up, 1 2, be careful, look carefully. Now we're going to make 3 double crochet into that gap, that being 1 2 and 3. So we've lost 1 cell. Now matter of joining the cells into the gap. Join the cell, chain up, 1 2, 3 double crochet into the gap, that being 1 2 and 3. So that's what we have so far. Join another cell into the gap, join the cell, chain 2 up as you do every time you join a cell. Now 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we are going to join those 2 cells. That is what we have. We're going to join those 2 cells. We don't want any more cells, so we are not increasing anything. We are losing cells now. So we are there. We've lost a cell. Now chain 2, turn your work into the little gap there. We are losing cells because we are making our square. Now chain 2, 1 2. It's quite magical when you think about it, but it's easy. 3 double crochet, 1 2 get some more yarn please, and the 3rd double crochet, so we've lost two cells on that side and another cell on that side until we come to the last cell. Join the cells, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the gap, 1 2 and 3 double crochet You see, now we're on the edge. Join the cells like that. We're getting there. We got a few more cells to lose to get to this proper square. You can see what we've got so far. 2 more squares to lose. So chain 2, turn your work into the little gap there, join, you see you got 3. Now our last cell, and you have a proper square. Now you chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. I made a mistake there, it's 3 instead of 2, but never mind. 1 more yarn, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, and we are getting our square. That is the last join. Join the last join to the cell. Oh, come on. It can be annoying, but it's got to be done. So we've joined our last cell. But we still need to chain 2, 1, 2, turn round, and now you come to the other loop and you join, and you come to the edge of the square. Hooray! How lovely is that? Enjoying the journey? Hope you did too. Hope you got how we did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much for being with me. We've done that together. You can do it. It's not difficult at all. Just take your time. If you make a mistake, go back, do it again, and you will get it. Thank you for being with me, and I say bye bye.